All right, it's on.
Okay,
it's on.
What day is this? This is, what day is it? Monday night. This is Monday night.
Monday night, the 25th.
We are taking the Ice Bucket Challenge.
For ALS.
Yes, for ALS. We're going to do a group challenge. We're challenging Carista Young.
Carista Young, Addison Young, and Charlie Young
to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. And I also am going to challenge out my friend Susan Grover-Smith from Minnesota, Tammy Howard from Montesano, and my good neighbor over here, Geneva Peterson, to do the Ice Bucket Challenge.
And I'll be also challenging my dad, Kent Young, Las Vegas, my mom, Caitlin Crest in Long Beach, California, and my brother, Benjamin Young, in San Dimas, California.
I'm going to challenge fellow Park Rangers Miles Wenzel, Christian Becker, Nick Schwalb, and Daniel Yorkston.
Nice.
Okay,
right.
we're good
Mexican
to go.
standoff style. We're doing 3 times.
So, oh my gosh, this is going to be so cold.
Ready?
It's already cold.
Hold on, I gave you the wonky one. Ready?
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Holy monkey!
Oh my god! Okay.
55
it was
degrees.
good, but it's nothing
55
compared to what the
degrees,
people have to deal with. Anyone with ALS. Yay.
Oh my gosh.
Holy cow. Holy cow.